Hi, Reagan. And then who's serving that's not here with you today?
My uncle,
Your uncle, what's his name?
Henry.
Henry, Uncle Henry. When was the last time you saw him?
When did I see him? About 3 years ago.
About how long ago?
About 3 years ago.
3 years ago. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
do you guys stay in touch a lot?
Yes, we do.
So
That's
that must
my
be
son.
your son. Okay,
Yes.
so it's your son and your uncle. All right,
His brother.
and your brother.
Yes.
3 years, that's a long time
It
to
is a
not
very
see
long
anybody.
time.
It has been a long time. Stand up for a second. I want you to stand up next to me here. Here, stand over here, because what if I could tell you that you're gonna get a chance to see him right now. Not the one that, see the picture right there?
Yes.
Yeah, that's, but look who he's standing next to. He's standing next to the principal, who's wearing the same outfit. Let's have a hand for Henry. Bring him in. He's here. Come on, go give him a hug. Come on. Come on. Get in there. Oh. They got the tissue boxes at home. Come here. Henry, tell us about where you're serving right now.
Right now I'm stationed at Fort Leonard Wood, Missouri.
Okay, and they let you home on leave for how long?
Just till tomorrow.
Till tomorrow. We only have till tomorrow, Mom. Surprised? Come on, tell me. You had no idea.
I had no idea.
And I purposely
I
didn't
thought
come
I
up-
came for breakfast and a show here.
Oh, you got a show, all right. You got breakfast and a show, that's for sure. Regan, what do you think?
It's amazing. I haven't seen him in so long, and it's just, I didn't know.
I know, yeah. That's why I purposely didn't come over and talk to you guys, because I kept you in the shadows here. But tell us what it's been like serving.
Oh, it's very good. It's a good opportunity. It's been 8 years, so it's a great honor and privilege to serve my country, and it's made me a better person and stuff like that.
I'm so glad we were able to
Thank you so
surprise
much.
you.
Very
Here, I'm
surprised.
hugging her. You get in there, hug your son. Come on, let's have a hand for him right here.